Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Hostinger account in 2024. Whether you're switching providers or just no longer need it, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, that is www.hostinger.com. From there, make sure that you are logged into your account by clicking on the login option, and once you have logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From there, locate your profile icon, which is usually located on the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on it. From there, you can see different options in the drop-down menu and click on the option saying account information. Once you land on the account information page, simply scroll down and you will see an option saying delete account. Before you delete your account, make sure to back up any important files, emails or data that you might need. Once the account is deleted, this information cannot be recovered. So, when you are done with that, click on the option saying delete account and you have to click on the checkbox in order to delete your account. And now, lastly click on the delete option. And that's it. Deleting your Hostinger account in 2024 is quick and straightforward. And if this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on notification for more tech tips. See you in the next video.